Hello everybody, Peter here today with the unboxing of a new household appliance. This is a dishwashing machine from Indesit. To be more exact, it is the Indesit DSIE 2B19. So this is a compact washing machine. It's only 45 centimeters in width and the normal depth of 60 centimeters. I've started this here on the ground because for the remainder of the video this is gonna be the focus pass, so you're just gonna see half of me, I guess. But let's stop the talking and get down to the unboxing. So stick and enjoy. Now in a more comfortable position, I'm gonna start unboxing the machine to see what's inside and how it looks without the protective wooden panels. So I'm gonna take a cutter and try to do as little damage to the package as possible. Anyway, really good packaging by Indesit, because I see lots of protective polystyrene, even though this is polluting, which is a downside using too much. And I also see these wooden reinforcements. So Indesit has taken really great care with protecting the washing machine during the transport. Alright. And now the top should come apart. Alright, here's the label I have to cut. And also releases from the back. And the top panel is out. Really cool design, helps with protecting the product. Seems quite reinforced without like filling all the spaces. And on top, here is some protective wool, I think. I don't even know if this should be removed. So I'm gonna leave it now for here. Just for you to see. This is how the top looks. So with this wool, I think it's for the noise. I'm not really sure about it. I haven't owned a dishwashing machine before. Oh, this is the first time. I'm gonna take this out. Take the wood out. Quite good wood. Might come in handy sometime. And now I'm gonna take the sides. And they'll break anyway at some point, so I'm not even trying that much. But until my furniture comes, I want to keep it inside the package, so I'm gonna put this in the package back again. So this is how it looks. Pretty dull, huh? Well, it misses the wooden frame, the wooden protection. So this is a dishwashing machine that you put inside your kitchen cabinet. So it should blend in with the kitchen. It's not visible. And this is why it is like this. So it really needs a face that matches your kitchen. Alright, I'm going to continue with the sides and then we're going to move inside to see what's in there. So left and right panels, they're the same. We just zinced metal. I think it's basically steel and it's just zinc for more protection. This side comes off the same way the others one did. There's really not a point in tearing them down. But let's do it for the sake of the video. I'm gonna take the second wood protection and the sides. And now the washing machine is clear. Though I'm gonna leave it on the polystyrene on the bottom because this way I can move it around really easily without damaging the floor. On the back, plastic in here to hold the panels. This is something that they chipped out on, or maybe it has a structural purpose, like makes it more flexible. I really don't know. I'm not a dishwashing machine engineer, from what I know. But it's an interesting fact that this is plastic. Didn't expect it. The two hoses. So this is water in and water out. Alright. Plug. This is a European plug. If you're buying this on a different continent or in a country with a different plug, they should give you your plug. Here also some, looks like some plastic, some hard plastic that protects the back of the washing machine. Some codes, I think maybe for like the production number and stuff like that. And another plastic side down here. So it looks like the back is basically held by plastic. And in here, I see polystyrene. Interesting. Really curious if this comes off. I really think, but I'm not going to do this. I really think that these panels come off when mounting stuff, but since I never mounted stuff like this, I'm not gonna take it apart. The guy who's gonna like mount all of the stuff in my kitchen is gonna do that, because I really don't want to screw this thing up. So right now we're at the most interesting part, the front, even though it looks as dull as the other ones, because in here we can open the machine. Let's see if it takes that much force. It takes a little bit of force. Alright, so it popped open. Maybe it's still quite hard because it's at the beginning. In here, some LEDs with programs. These are buttons that you can press to set the programs. Power on off. I think this is for starting and this is for pause. Recommends using Fairy. I think Indesit might have a partnership with them. And in here down, it is the. So it doesn't want to stay down, it wants to come back up. Really interesting. That could be annoying. If somebody knows a trick that I don't know, they're gonna laugh at me so hard right now. But anyway, here is the place in which you put your detergent. And also on the inside, let's leave this aside. Manuals, lots of them with stickers for how efficient it is. Instruction on how to mount them and screws, so you don't have to buy your screws to put in the wood. Oh, that's really sweet. 3 wash detergents from Fairy. So, not gonna last that long, but at least you have something to start and to test the dishwasher with. And inside, let me go down with it so I can see. I'm gonna hold this with my feet until I figure it out how you make it stay down. Really. And it's quite powerful. I don't think the wood is gonna make it stay down. Really annoyed by it, but this is the first impression. So in here there is a basket for smaller items. There is this stuff. I think it seems to be for draining, for pouring stuff. So here's a rotating mechanism that sprays the dishes. Down here another rotating mechanism that does the same thing. Here is something that holds on to something. Not really sure. This comes out and the door managed to stay down, so I think you just need to press it a little more. And another shelf. How does this work? Alright, so this rotating piece comes out, and when you plug it in, it sticks in there makes a connection and it's powered by water. So it's basically like a sprinkler. The pressure of the water is making it spin. It doesn't seem that sturdy in my opinion, but it is what it is. So not that much space. It's the smaller version of a dishwashing machine because usually they are 60 centimeters wide. This is already 45 because I don't have that many dishes. Even this one is quite big for my needs. At the same time, I don't have that much space, so this was quite a sacrifice, and it should do the trick. So if you have a more compact kitchen, this one went in really hard. This pretty easy. This is a good washing machine for you. It's gonna be plenty of space. It's gonna wash them. Basically, this is what it needs to do. Indesit is a reputable dishwashing machine brand, so I don't think it will have any problems, to be honest. So have a great day, guys, and see you soon. Bye.